In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep the chat list open in Microsoft Teams. This is a fantastic way to ensure you always have quick access to your ongoing conversations, helping to streamline your workflow and keep communication smooth and efficient. To get started, first, you'll want to open up Microsoft Teams. Once the application is up and running, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. Here you'll find various sections such as Activity, Teams, and more importantly for us, Chat. Go ahead and click on the chat icon. This will bring up your list of recent chat conversations. It's important to familiarize yourself with this section as it's central to navigating and managing your messages. Next, let's talk about how you can keep certain chats easily accessible by pinning them. This is particularly useful for those important conversations that you reference regularly. To pin a chat, move your cursor over the chat you want to prioritize. You'll see a set of 3 dots, known as the More Options menu. Click on these 3 dots, and you'll find the option to pin. Selecting this will move your chosen chat to the top of your chat list, ensuring it's always within easy reach. Pinning helps you maintain focus on important messages without having to sift through less critical ones. Now, let's make sure your chat list remains visible at all times, especially when you're using the desktop app. Once you've pinned your important chats and they're organized to your liking, it's a good idea to leave the chat tab selected in the sidebar. By doing this, your chat list stays open and accessible even as you navigate through other sections of Microsoft Teams. This feature is a fantastic benefit of the desktop application, providing a seamless user experience. It helps prevent unnecessary interruptions in your workflow by ensuring your conversations are always just a click away. Hopefully, these steps will help you keep your chat list open in Microsoft Teams, making your day-to-day communication tasks more efficient. By pinning critical chats and leaving the chat tab active on the sidebar, you ensure constant access to your conversations. With these tips in mind, navigating through Microsoft Teams and staying on top of your communications becomes a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you found this walkthrough helpful, feel free to explore other tutorials or guides that can further enhance your productivity with Microsoft Teams. Whether you're collaborating on projects or just managing your daily tasks, mastering these tools can significantly impact your efficiency. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to help you get the most out of your digital workspace.